Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna vlog a little. I was really in the mood for just more of a calm video, so I thought, you know what, we're just gonna vlog. Right now it's 11 o'clock. I did already do my makeup, I did film that, but people were still asleep here, so I couldn't really talk with it. What are you doing? You're so weird. You're so weird. So anyways, I did my skincare routine. I really don't use a lot of skincare products, but sometimes less is more, you know. I used the serum from The Ordinary that I've been using for such a long time, and then I have this Perfectin water cream which I got from YesStyle, which was also on the giveaway. I love it. Then I just did my makeup. I don't use a lot of makeup. I did my eyeliner. I always do that first in case it goes horribly wrong. I could just wipe it off. I also use some concealer and some powder, some blush, and I also use eyebrow gel. Then I also use it's some kind of a mascara primer. It's like an extra layer that you put on before your mascara. It is just from a cheap brand, from a Dutch brand, so I can't really tell you, but it's really great. I love it. And some mascara and some highlighter. I'm still using the highlighter that I got from the YesStyle mystery box, and I'm still so obsessed. So I did that. I also did my hair. Still do my curl bangs with a straightener. I just put in some jewelry. I have these earrings. I have no idea where they're from. And I also have this little pearl necklace, which is just adorable. This one is from AliExpress. I bought it from a little store. Like, she makes jewelry on her own, and it has my zodiac sign. We are gonna vlog a little today. What I thought would be perfect, if you watched my making DIYs videos, the trays did not go so well, so I decided to do it again. So I made two trays. I made one hard tray a little bit bigger than the other ones, and I made one round one, and let me tell you, they're a lot better. I will show you them later, but I thought we could paint that today as well. Oh my god, my room is such a mess. I'm so incredibly sorry. I'm wearing this cardigan that I got from YesStyle. Really cute. Watch my try and haul if you haven't yet. And these pants. What? You always have to be in the videos, don't you? These are the pants that I'm wearing. They're thrifted with a simple belt. I'm wearing these socks that I got from my boyfriend. They're really warm and I always have cold feet. It's cute. I like it. My to-do list for today. I still have to upload my video. I finished editing it yesterday. Paint the trays. I also want to clean. I want to vacuum, and I just want to clean my floor because it's so dirty. You made my floor all dirty. Yes. But I still love you. So I really have to do that. And I also need to update my YouTube schedule because let me tell you something. I need to tell you something. You guys, I have great news. I am officially a business owner. I am officially a business owner. Yes, I am. Here in the Netherlands, like, if you make money on your own, if you have like your own little business, you have to register that and you have to become your own business owner also, so you can pay taxes and stuff. And since I don't work anywhere else, YouTube is my only job and I'm making money with it. I just had to apply as a business owner, so I did that. And last week I went down to one of their offices, which I was so incredibly nervous for. Oh my god, I felt so grown up, but I was so incredibly scared. But anyways, with being a business owner, you have to do a bunch of things, and which really sucks. I'm not gonna go into all of them, but one of them is that every single week I have to write down how many hours and when I work on YouTube, what I do. So I have to like register my hours. I'm officially a business owner, but I really feel like it makes it the real deal or something, because I feel like a lot of grown-ups especially still judge me because I have like no idea whatsoever how being a YouTuber works, and they all like really underestimate it. But now I can say like, yeah, I'm a business owner, you know, so I feel like that makes it more real or something. Do you know what I mean? I'm talking way too long about this. Okay, I'm gonna go look at my video, upload it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're gonna shop online for a desk makeover. I think it's time we make some food because I'm hungry. Let's go make some eggs. Okay, I'm done eating. So recently I was looking on AliExpress. I saw these advertisements with mystery boxes, and I thought mystery boxes, I like mystery boxes. They were €5, and I know it's not true, but in the pictures that they had like MacBooks and iPhones and drones, I thought, huh, this is probably a big scam, but I'm gonna buy a bunch of them and I'm gonna make a video about it. The reviews, by the way, they all had like photos and reviews of people who got MacBooks and iPhones. So I thought, huh, people actually got that? So I bought some from different sellers. Later, I was looking again because I thought it can't be true. And I was looking. Weirdly enough, the mystery boxes that I bought were suddenly not available anymore. They were removed. And I thought, are you kidding me? This is such a scam. I canceled 2. 1 was already shipped and it's here. I ordered 2 from this seller. There are 2 small things in here and I have no idea what it's gonna be. Let's open it. 2 packages. It's so small. I'm still curious. Is that weird? It's a cable. It's an iPhone charger. That is actually not bad. This one's a bit bigger. Earphones. Is it worth €5? I don't know. They rattle. That's also a difference. They're really short. So the quality, not so good. It's like a bit muffled. Do you know what I mean? That voice effect from Final Cut Pro, like it's muffled. That is kind of what it sounds like. Not so great. It works. That's really nice. So I am happy with this one. The other one, not really great quality. Anyways, moving on. So anyways, here are my trays. This is the hard tray. It's a bit bigger this time. I didn't do like the line on the inside. I feel like they're a little bit more vulnerable. They stick, so it's fine. It's so much better than the other ones. And then we have this one. I already painted it white a few times. I made this one first, then I was working on this one, and this one was just laying beside me on my desk. Then this little one came to me and she started to ask for attention. Before I know it, she jumps on the desk. I tried to stop her, but my hands were all full of clay. But she walks right across my desk with one paw right on the edge, and it was folded down. You can still kind of see it. This is where it happened. It right there. So my idea for this one is that I paint it all white. On the bottom, I paint little flowers. This one, I think I just want to make it like the other 2, but then better. Let's paint these trays. Okay, it's not looking great. I want to redo these 2. So far, they could look better, but they could also look worse, so I'm okay with it. Hi, my cart was full, but I'm back. Here's an update on the heart. I really like how it's turning out. This one, I'm still trying to cover the flowers that I painted.
Try to educate the heart.
Oh my god, I have been painting for so long. It's already 3:30. This red layer did not go very smoothly, but it doesn't look bad. So this is where I'm at right now, but I'm not gonna finish this now, because if I would finish this now, I would be busy for so long. Wow, I'm tired because of that. But anyways, I wanna clean my room up a little bit. So I'm gonna clean this up, then I'm gonna clean my room. I did the whole floor. It's so shiny right now. It's clean. Oh my god, my floor has never been cleaner. Anyways, I think I filmed enough. I spent a long time on painting the trays. Here's how that turned out. By now I'll probably be done with it. Here's how it turned out. I hope you like it. I think it's very pretty. I don't know. I hope it's very pretty. These are the first two that I made. And these are the ones that I made just now. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to become a part of the family. And I hope I will see you in my next video.